Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Wizard of Graphics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create double exposure effect like this. First, open two images you want to blend together. To begin the double exposure effect, we need to arrange the image as a layer in a single Photoshop document. Select the Move tool. From the toolbar, shortcut is V. Now open other image and click and drag this image onto this image. Use the transform handle, shortcut is Ctrl T or Command T to resize and reposition the layer as your desire. Press enter or return to apply the changes. To blend the two images together, we will change the blending mode of the top layer. In the layer panel, ensure the top layer is selected, then open the blending mode drop down menu and experiment with different options for the double exposure effect. This step is optional. If your double exposure effect is not correct, you can refine them. In this case, I want to refine them. We will add a layer mask with the selected top layer. Click on the layer mask icon at the bottom of the layer panel. Select the brush tool from the toolbar. Set your foreground color to black. With the layer mask thumbnail selected, start painting over the area where you want the image to be hidden. As you paint with black, those areas will become transparent, revealing the original image. After that, I want to add some throws. I have select Move to click and drag this image onto this image and transform this image. Hit enter, apply this transform. Congratulations, you have successfully created a double exposure effect. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.